Today we're putting two popular Bluetooth OBD2 scanners face to face, the OBDLink MX Plus and the Autel MaxiAP AP200. One's premium, one's budget. But which one's actually worth buying? Let's find out. Today, we've got something special in store for you. We're going to take a deep dive into the OBDLink MX Plus OBD2 Bluetooth scanner, a device that can unlock a world of possibilities for your car. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or just looking to keep your vehicle running smoothly, this is a must-have tool. Stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and how it can revolutionize your car maintenance routine. Let's kick things off by unboxing the OBDLink MX Plus. As you can see, it comes in a compact package. Inside, we have the scanner itself, a user manual, and a QR code to download the OBDLink app, which is available for both iOS and Android. OBDLink MX Plus is a Bluetooth OBD2 scanner, which means it pairs with your smartphone or tablet to provide real-time vehicle data. It's compatible with most vehicles manufactured after 1996, so it should work with your car. Setting up the OBDLink MX Plus is a breeze. First, plug it into your car's OBD2 port, which is usually located under the dashboard. Once it's connected, turn on your vehicle's ignition without starting the engine. Now, grab your smartphone and download the OBDLink app. Open the app, and it will automatically detect the scanner. Pair them together, and you're good to go. The OBDLink MX Plus isn't just a basic code reader. It offers a wide range of features that can benefit both DIY enthusiasts and professional. 1. Real-time data. With the app, you can monitor live data from your vehicle's sensors. Check things like engine RPM, temperature, fuel efficiency, and more. 2. Diagnostics. The scanner can read and clear trouble codes, helping you pinpoint issues with your car. It provides detailed descriptions of the codes, making it easier to understand the problem. 3. Performance tuning. For the gearheads out there, the OBDLink MX Plus can be used with certain apps to tweak your vehicle's performance. You can customize settings and even track your 0 to 60 times. 4. Fuel efficiency. By monitoring data such as fuel trim and oxygen sensor readings, you can improve your car's fuel efficiency and save money at the pump. We've been using the OBDLink MX Plus for a while now, and it's been a game changer. The real-time data and diagnostics have helped us catch issues early and saved us trips to the mechanic. The OBDLink app is intuitive and user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners. Plus, the scanner's fast data refresh rate ensures you get accurate readings in real time. Before we wrap things up, let's share some handy tips and tricks to maximize your experience with the OBDLink MX Plus. 1. Regular scans. Make it a habit to perform regular scans of your vehicle, even if there are no apparent issues. This can help catch potential problems early and prevent costly repairs down the road. 2. Maintenance reminders. Some OBD2 apps allow you to set maintenance reminders based on mileage or time intervals. This feature can help you stay on top of oil changes, air filter replacements, and other routine tasks. 3. Check engine light. If your check engine light comes on, don't panic. Use the scanner to read the trouble code and then look up the code's meaning in the app or online. It might be a minor issue that you can fix yourself. We've received some common questions about the OBDLink MX Plus, so let's address a few of them. Is the OBDLink MX Plus compatible with my car? The OBDLink MX Plus is compatible with most vehicles manufactured after 1996, including gas and diesel cars. However, it's always a good idea to check the compatibility list on their website or in the user manual. Can I use the OBDLink MX Plus with multiple vehicles? Yes, you can use the OBDLink MX Plus with multiple vehicles, but you'll need to unpair and repair it each time you switch. Do I need a special app to use the OBDLink MX Plus? While the OBDLink app is recommended, there are other third-party apps available that are compatible with the OBDLink MX Plus. However, the OBDLink app offers the best compatibility and user experience. The OBDLink MX Plus OBD2 Bluetooth scanner is an essential tool for any car owner or enthusiast. It's easy to use, provides valuable insights into your vehicle's performance, and can save you time and money on repairs. So, if you want to take control of your car's health and performance, consider adding the OBDLink MX Plus to your toolkit. Are you tired of that pesky check engine light on your dashboard? Do you want to take control of your car's health and diagnose minor issues before they turn into major problems? Well, then the Autel AP200 Bluetooth code reader OBD2 scanner might be just what you need. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into this handy tool, exploring its features, how it works, and whether it's the right fit for you. Let's get started.
Autel AP200, as the simplified version of MK808 and MX808, is the new released OBD2 Bluetooth scan adapter with all system diagnosis and 19 special functions. You only need to get the Bluetooth dongle plugged into the car's OBD2 port, and after the registration, the MaxiAP AP200 app can use on any Android, iOS tablets, or smartphones to view multiple diagnostic features. It features the extensive vehicle coverage, and all users will get one free vehicle software for special functions with the initial purchase. If you want to get access of additional vehicle support, you may need to make an in-app purchase with $21.99 in Apple Store and $15.99 in Google Play for each vehicle make. This is the ideal scanner for any family DIYers and small repair stores looking for a quality, cost-effective diagnostic device.
The Autel AP200 is a great tool for DIY car enthusiasts and anyone who wants to stay informed about their car's health. It's easy to use, provides comprehensive diagnosis features, and is compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Autel AP200 Bluetooth code reader OBD2 scanner, pros and cons. Pros: versatile diagnostics, OBD2 functionality, user-friendly app, multi-brand compatibility, oil reset and TPM's functions. Cons: app dependence, not for complex repairs, limited repair guidance. If you're interested in learning more about the Autel AP200 Bluetooth code reader OBD2 scanner, check out the links in the description below. Overall, the Autel AP200 is a great tool for DIY car enthusiasts who want to diagnose and address minor car issues themselves. If you're comfortable using a smartphone app and are interested in taking a more proactive approach to your car's maintenance, the AP200 is a valuable investment. However, for those who prefer to leave car repairs to the professionals or need a scanner for strictly basic check engine light functions, a simpler OBD2 scanner might be more suitable. By the way, if you've already made up your mind, I've put both scanners' links in the description below so you can check the latest price and grab the one that suits you best. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.